Hi everyone, welcome you again in the session that's based on Pygame. So in this session, we are going to learn about text, that how you can, put text in Pygame. So for making the text in Pygame window, you have to create a false surface. Like you have to create a surface first, and then you will paste the text on the surface. So it's working like that. I'm sharing my screen with all of you and will let you know how it's going to work and what you're going to write here. You all know how to open REPL as I have explained you from my previous classes. You will open REPL, then here I will write import Pygame, and Pygame init means of course you need to initiate your Pygame window. The rest command I'm going to delete for now, and I will be writing down the new commands over here. So here actually I will be making the variables of the color, and whatever the color I wish to take, I can take that color. So I will make the variable as white first. For white color, the color code will be 255, 255, and 255. So that's what I'm writing over here. Now the next color I will create as green. And for the green, the color code will be 0, 255, and 0. This is the color code for the green. And the next I will make the color code for blue. So I will make the color code for blue, and the color code will be 0, 0, sorry, it's dot, it's comma, 0, 0, and 128. This is the code for the blue color. Now I will assign the x coordinate and y coordinate like I'm making the variable. I just need that I will put the variable name and everything will come to me, so that if I wish to change the variable, I can simply change the variable, and in the program I don't need to find that particular step where I have defined the particular color and kind of stuff. So I will make the coordinate x as 600, and I will make the coordinate y. That's also 600 for me. Now, after creating the coordinates, I just create the display surface object. Okay, so for the surface object, what we need to do is we actually have the specific dimension x, y for the surface, like where I want my text to be on. So I will simply write my variable like one display surface, and display surface is equals to, I will write pygame dot display and dot set mode, and here I will set the mode as x and y. So this we will be setting up the mode here. And after setting up the mode, like we need to give the Pygame window name, means what will be your name of the window that we need to assign. So I will write Pygame dot display dot set caption. So because I'm learning text, so I will write the caption as show text. So that's what I'm writing, show text. Okay, this is my caption that I have written over here. And now the next part is I will create the font object, and the font file I will create, and everything related to the font. So so here I will setting up the size of my font, and for setting this up, I will write font is equals to pygame dot font dot capital font, and here I will write the font name, and the font name I'm writing as free sans serif, like sans serif you have sans serif, and I want it as bold dot ttf. Okay, and here I will set the font size. I will setting it up as 32. Now, like the text surface object we need to create over here, on which, I need to draw the text. So I will write simply text is equals to font, then dot render. Whatever the font you will write, you can write. So here I can write learn with go global ways, and that need to be true. Okay, and then green color I'm selecting, the font color, and blue color I'm selecting. Okay, I will let you know, as you can see over here also, and I'm explaining you about this command. Here, text is one of the variable where font.render means you are rendering the value learn with go global ways, go global ways. It should be GO, just wait. So learn with go global ways will be, the text that's rendering by this function, and it's true, means the value will be on the screen. The green color is the text color and blue color is the background color. Okay, that's what it is saying. In line number 10, it's setting up the font and font family, and here is the font size that we are setting up. Okay, now let's see the next part. So what will come next is, like, after setting all this, we have to set the rectangle. As I told you that we have to make a surface where I want my text to be. Okay, so I will simply write text rect dot, like text rect is equals to, like, this is my first variable, and I will write text dot get rect, right? Means whatever the text will come, it will be on that rectangle that I am making as a surface, basically. And then I will write text rect is equals to text dot get rect. Oh, this we have done with. Now, like, I will set the position of the text. So text rect dot center is equals to, I will put the round bracket, and here I'm saying that X and Y double slash 2. Now, what is the meaning of this? Here it shows double slash, like everyone, you will be in trouble that why double slash is there. Double slash in Python is indicating the division. Okay, so here I'm saying that half of the width means whatever the width is, it will be the half of the width and half of the height, because I want my text to show on the center. So whatever the height and whatever the width of my window screen, it will be half of that particular thing. Now, if I go to the next part here, then I will start the loop and I will write while loop. While true means while the condition is true. As you know, everything about while loop, display surface dot fill will be the white color, means the surface color will be the white color. So I'm just simply writing display, then surface dot fill, and this will fill with the white color. And after this, the next command that we will use is split command. Split command is actually you are now putting the text on the particular portion that you took. Okay, that's what split is. In Python, in Pygame, this is actually a function. Split means if I want to like copy paste we are doing, right? So just paste it. Split command. Okay, so I will simply write display surface dot split, and here what you're going to split is text rect. Okay, means whatever your text is, and you will split the text on the rectangle that you have created here. Now we will be putting the for loop over here. So here I am putting like the for loop. So for event in Pygame dot event dot get. I think this in previous class I have explained you the event like mouse down event. When you click on mouse, then something is going to happen. So this event is exactly work like that event. So I want that if I click the quit, then I will quit the Pygame. So the same I'm doing. If event dot type is equals to double is equals to indicates is equals to in Python, okay, or in any computer programming, mostly we use this. And here we will write pygame.quit, then you will press the like colon. Without colon it will not work, without indentation it will not work. This is space part, indentation part is very important here, okay. Now for this condition you will simply write pygame.quit, and you will put the round bracket here, and here you will write quit and round bracket, and then you need to update your Pygame window that you will write pygame.display.update and the round bracket. So if you run the code, let's see what happens. I need to do one more thing. I need to update the window as I told you previously. Here in line number 14 and here after while loop, we need to update our window. Now let's run the program. So as you can see here that this is my Windows screen of Pygame, and I can see the text over here, learn with Go Global Base. So yes, everyone, this is all about how you can put text in the Pygame, and thank you so much for watching. Let's wait for the next video.